Hi, everybody. I'm Mrs. Hartman, and I am your teacher this year for vocational preparation, or as we like to call it, Voc Prep, much easier to say. I welcome you, and I'm super excited to teach this class. I consider it one of my favorite classes to teach, and hopefully it will be one of your favorite classes to take. A little bit about myself, just in case you don't know me already. I teach Modern Global Issues, Resource Lab, American Government. I do the work experience hours, and I teach this Voc Prep class, which I said is one of my favorites. I went to the University of Missouri for my undergrad and got my Master's of Education from Webster University. I've been a teacher here at West for 13 years. I cannot believe it's been that long. Before that, I worked at North Kansas City High School, and before that, I worked at Mexico High School, and that's Mexico, Missouri, not Mexico the country, even though that would be super cool. I am the West Side Girl coach. I enjoy working with the girls, and I really love dance, so it's a passion of mine. I've been married to my husband for 16 years, and we're dog parents. We have 2 dogs right now, Tiga and Navy. Navy we just rescued. He's a little Havanese, and Tiga is 9 years old, I guess, and she's a English setter mixed with a mystery man dad. We don't know who he is or what kind of dog he was. So she's adorable. She's black and white, looks just like a English setter, but just a little bit shorter. They love to play together, even despite their size, they love each other. My husband decided after years of working in corporate America to be his own boss, something that all of you will have the opportunity to do as well if you choose. And he owns a flooring business. Some of my loves are friends and family, of course dogs, of course dance. Love the Chiefs, love college basketball. I don't have the Royals on here because I'm not a huge baseball fan, but I definitely was there for all the World Series, watched all that and rooted them on. I love music, and if you know me, you know I love Britney Spears. It is what it is. Okay, so let's just talk about this syllabus quickly so you guys kind of have a feel for the class. This class is all about you. We focus on what you want to do when you graduate from high school, what kind of career you might want to enter into, or something that you are going to work towards in the future. It is really based on you doing research to find out about your likes, your personality, what your likes and personality match to a specific career, a specific job, finding out about careers and jobs that you might have never even thought about that might be something that you will do for the next 5-10 years of your life. It's all about exploration, all about finding what you like and what is going to work for you, and then also getting some skills to function out in the real world, because man, it's a beast out there, I tell you. Some of the topics that we talk about, like I said, getting to know yourself. We also talk about obviously jobs and careers, but starting that job, self-determination, what your employer is going to expect from you. Leaving a job, which is very important to keep your good standing in the working environment. Post-secondary options, we'll talk about all the different types of classes, colleges, Voc Prep schools, trainings you can do for the different jobs that you're interested in. Entrepreneurship, establishing goals, managing your money, and of course, applying for all those great jobs you guys are going to get in the future. We have a variety of assignments. I would like to say that quizzes are very far in between. We don't really have many quizzes because any kind of quiz you take, it's going to be about you. You're going to take surveys that you have to answer questions, and at the end of those surveys, it comes up with, these are some things that you might be interested in. When you hear quizzes in this class, they're usually pretty fun, okay? Your final exam is going to be, for both semesters, it will be a presentation that you'll have about 2 weeks to work on. The kids really enjoy doing these every year, so don't get stressed or think of it as a final. I mean, it does count as your final exam, but it is all about a career that you have chosen and that you're interested in, and you will follow us very specific criteria, but it's super fun to put together, and at the end of that presentation, you're able to say, this is something I'm really interested in, or you know what, forget it. So, and I will tell you the truth. Some kids have said, yeah, this is just not for me after doing this research, and that's perfect. That's great. Now you know, I was interested in it. Check it off the list. We're done. Let's move on and find something new. Your homework will be given a few times a week when we meet for our class discussions. Sometimes we'll meet in person AKA virtually in person, and sometimes it'll just be a recording of me. You will just check in your Schoology as to how that will all play out every week on the days you have this class. And makeup work and late work, I am 100% available to help you with any makeup work if you are sick or there's a day that you are not able to log on due to internet problems, etc. Or if you are needing some extra time on something, please let me know. I can give you extra time as long as you let me know before the due date, okay? It's a really fun class. We're going to explore you. We're going to explore what you're interested in and hopefully get you ready for the future and figure out, gosh, what do I want to do? What do I want to be when I grow up, right? That's the question that everybody always asks. So even if you don't know exactly, you'll definitely have explored and have a better feel for what you want to do. I hope this helps you understand a little bit about what the class is about, kind of get to meet me a little bit, and on Tuesday you will meet with all of your classes and we'll go through some more of these expectations for what to expect virtually, when to log in. Please follow your schedule to make sure that you're in the right class on the right day. Check out my Schoology. Obviously you did to get onto this video. I have a virtual classroom at the top. These links are not working right now. I need to find someone above my pay grade to get that figured out. But obviously Schoology is where we will post most of our information. There might be a couple times that I reach out to you through email or reach out to your parents through email, but we'll definitely stay connected every week through Schoology. All right, guys, I look forward to meeting you and working with you, and you're going to enjoy this class a lot.